Welcome back to my channel. Y'all know who it is, EJ Food. And my baby right here, and this is the makeup. And big shout out to my baby. Why? Because she made this.
I cook.
Right. I'm happy for her. What you cook, baby?
So, if y'all watched our live, I said that we were going to make enchiladas that day. I actually didn't because we ended up finishing the live like late. So, we did it today. These are the tex-mex enchiladas, which by this time that you're watching this video, you've already seen the video of how to make it. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. But yeah, now we're eating them.
One of my subscribers, she wanted us to make enchiladas, and I have to beg my baby to make enchiladas.
Yeah, I made my they're Tex-Mex, they're Texas Mexican enchiladas. That's what they call it.
And then
they're pretty easy to make.
Rice.
Oh, and I also made rice. It's probably my second time in my whole life that I've done rice.
Oh, wow.
And the beans, he made them. I don't know.
I just smashed them. That's it.
You're ready?
I'm ready. Ow. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. If you're about to eat dinner, come on, you have enough. Get the camera, get a light, and you're good.
You mean you want them to tape it? Like record it too?
Yeah.
You don't have to record it. Just have dinner with us.
Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, baby. They're good. You can taste the onions in here.
Mm-hmm. I cut the onion like super small so my kids won't notice it so bad.
Oh, I noticed it.
You noticed it?
And then what about you?
Yeah, me too.
Orange soda. And we're having water.
Tastes good, baby.
Te salió bueno el rice. Te salió bueno.
Yeah.
Y'all heard that? That's a compliment from my kids. Seriously, I'm pretty sure all of you moms that are watching us, y'all can relate. You feel like you won the lottery the moment that you find out that your kids actually love your cooking.
Right.
Well, I mean,
Hey,
you don't
hey,
really
hey.
cook, so.
Yeah, I don't really cook, girl.
Why?
I don't know how to cook that well. I really don't. It's very rare at cooking.
You know how to make an egg?
Yes, I do.
Then you know how to cook.
Actually, because of y'all, because of YouTube, I've started to cook now. So thank you very much for making me a woman at 31 years old. 31.
What?
I'm glad the rice came out good.
My rice, not so pretty.
I googled how to make the rice.
Yeah, she Googled. Google.
But I actually didn't follow all the instructions.
Cause yeah, we don't have tomato sauce.
Yeah. I looked up how to make Mexican rice. But we don't have tomato sauce. So it's basically white rice.
Mother-in-law, please report to my office. Please, your daughter's trying to make some rice. I begged her.
Which mom does it pretty good. Very good.
Yeah. Hopefully one day my mom will show me how to do her own rice.
I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight.
Stop poking at my food. Eat your own food.
Look at this, family. Look at this.
Mine has a lot of cheese. Give me that. Give me that. Stop.
You gave me with no cheese. That's not fair.
That's a lie. Yours had cheese. You just ate it already.
Yeah, so one of my subscribers, she said she wanted enchiladas. She got enchiladas.
So I hope you're watching us. And I hope you're enjoying enchiladas with us.
Oh man, it's so good.
There's a lot left over. I think I made enough for like a whole lot of people.
Come on.
I think there's like enough for seconds if you wanted some.
Yes, I want some more.
You haven't even finished it and you
I
already
don't
want
care.
some
I
more.
want some more. I won the lottery, baby.
So how has everybody been doing today?
Yeah, how y'all been doing? How you doing?
How y'all doing?
How you doing? Y'all want stuff? I'm here. Ooh, it looks nasty. And it balls! Sorry, I play on the food.
Yes, you are.
Miss Brady, I haven't seen you, Miss Brady. I haven't seen you in my comments. What's going on? You okay, Miss Brady? If you're going through some stuff, Miss Brady, big shout out, Miss Brady.
Oh, and by the way, you guys, just a quick reminder, he is having a giveaway. So make sure to go through his videos and find the giveaway video and enter if you want to win. It's a $50 gift card of a restaurant of your choice. So.
Of my choice?
Of their choice, whoever wins.
Oh, I thought it was my choice. Maybe in the next giveaway I do. Yeah, might to get to meet me. Yeah, might get to meet me. Get my baby right here. Oh, baby. You did good.
There you go. Thank you very much.
You love me.
This is good, actually. I don't want to toot my own horn, but toot toot. Now let's talk about the beans.
Let me see. What? The beans are good, huh?
No,
Why? What's wrong?
they're plain. I'm not a bean kind of person, though.
What?
Up for thirds, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Get all the cheese.
Don't take all the cheese. Come on, man. My food.
I'm gonna get some more.
Go get some more. All right, he's back with a mountain of enchiladas. Dang. How many enchiladas did you end up getting?
I tried to get 2, but I got 3. Here, grab this one. Here, grab
It
this
looks
one.
like you got more than 2, mister.
Here, grab that one.
No, I'm still haven't finished mine, so. But that looks more than 2.
So tell me, what is your favorite meal that, you know, guys out there that y'all baby cooks for y'all very good?
Y'all baby. Y'all baby. Y'all baby cooks. So, it's been requested that we need to eat barbecue. What? Korean barbecue. I think I've tasted that before. Is Korean barbecue the same thing as, what's it called? What did I eat? Teriyaki? Something like that?
I don't know.
I need to Google what that is first. He just says he's down.
I'm
You
down.
just need to figure out what it is.
Guys, if you're from the Houston area, you know about the Korean barbecue,
Let us know where we can find it.
comment down below.
We just need to Google. We need Google.
Google! ¿Dónde estás? Look at this.
You just reminded me of that video where it said if if Siri was Mexican.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna say, where's the nearest Korean barbecue? And they're gonna be like, you can find tacos at the corner store.
What you looking at?
The fight. This was good.
You get 100, baby.
Your plate looks gross.
It's good.
Because you smothered the whole enchiladas with beans.
Beans are good for you.
What happened?
I'm trying to cut this and it's not gonna let me cut. Sorry, I'm crazy, sorry.
Yeah, a little too much.
Awesome. It looks nasty, but it's good. I'm gonna go ahead. The texture of the enchilada is good. Look at this. Oh my god, it's taking a bath in enchiladas.
So I'm trying to learn how to make my brother-in-law's enchiladas. I don't know if I ever told you about the story about the enchiladas that he makes. So one time he was dating my sister, and he said that he was gonna invite us to his house to eat enchiladas, like us, the family, and we went, but I didn't know that what he meant by enchiladas was literally enchiladas. Those enchiladas were super spicy, and they're green and really spicy. Like, I've never ate something so spicy before in my life.
I feel bad, but you know what?
Yeah, it was bad. But I actually made, I think I was able to eat 3. I think that was the most I could eat because they were super spicy. Even my mom's like, oh, how do you eat these? So if I learn how, I'll let y'all know.
Oh, we gotta beg our brother, my brother-in-law. Sorry. I know you watched this videos.
For the recipe. We need to beg for the recipe.
I'm not Google how you make green enchiladas. Go out to eat and you can make them there.
You're gonna be like, go to Taqueria Arandas and find out.
Where is the nearest Starbucks? Ay, ay, abuelita chocolate. Oh man. Oh,
I'm getting full here.
This is good, baby. You did Gucci, baby.
Gucci.
Yes.
I think the rice needs a little bit more flavor.
Yeah. But big shout out to I can't remember her name, but she's the one that wanted us to do enchiladas. There you go. I'll put your name down below. I don't know your Serena something. I
don't even remember. I just know somebody asked for enchiladas, but I can't.
And you got her.
I don't remember who it was. So sorry.
Do I not hear my mom?
Why you all red?
Somewhere.
Your face.
Sleepy.
When he gets red, it usually means he's sleepy.
Family. She told me she got me something from me. She wanted to tell me about me.
I got him a gift. That it's something that y'all will find out soon too. But I still haven't told them what it is.
What is it? Is it to the Bahamas?
To the Bahamas.
To Bora Bora?
Yeah, right.
Is it a ticket to jail?
Mm-hmm.
I won't go.
That's the one.
I'm not going. Then maybe I'm gonna pay for my license. I'll give you my information and I'll give you how much I owe you. How much I owe.
No.
It's a pretty number. Y'all gonna get scared, so that's why I catch Uber or the bus.
I want to catch Uber.
It's fine.
I don't trust you when you say it's fun.
Why?
Cause you said riding the bus is fun. That ain't fun.
It's alright. The bus is alright, but Uber picks you up right in front of your door and takes you right in front of where you need to go. It's true. Sorry.
I'm done. I'm full.
There's some more!
I'm done. That was good though. I like it.
Oh.
You know you can save this for later. Excuse me. Woo.
I feel bad for the blankets later.
Oh, I only put just a little bit of beans on mine. I put a lot on yours, but a little bit on mine. I don't like beans.
Oh man. Yeah, so she got me a gift, but she won't tell me what it is. You know what I mean?
I'm not gonna tell him, and I'm not gonna tell y'all until later on. Y'all find out somewhere around this month.
Why? Why didn't you tell me?
Cause it's a surprise. It's a surprise.
It's a good surprise or a bad surprise?
It's a good surprise. It's a funny surprise.
Also,
Hey! Mira, he finishes his Coke and then he drinks my water.
so we're pranking each other now?
No, we're not pranking each other. It's not a prank. But it'll be funny. I think.
Okay. But hey, big shout out to everybody that's been supporting me, and hey,
Shout out to I Love Roses. I've been looking at that channel a lot in our comments. So shout out to I Love Roses.
a big shout out to Wolfpack, because you've been leaving some comments on there.
Yeah, that's really cool. Like, I feel like we're having a sort of like relationship with our viewers, with our subscribers. Like, I like it a lot.
And I love it, and I'll leave my email in there, and I'll leave her email too as well if y'all need to talk to us, or y'all wanna send us something from different somewhere. Send us whatever.
But if you're gonna charge us, never mind.
Nah, don't try. Don't. I'm bro messaging right now. But hey, all right, family. I gotta go. This was good, baby. You did good, babe.
Thank you.
The rice beans is just missing one thing.
What?
Dessert.
He wants me to do something for dessert.
Okay, family. Remember, there's a giveaway going on.
So yeah, make sure to enter.
And please be 18 and up.
Well, I actually put it at to be 13 and up.
Why 13?
Because they're teenagers.
Okay, whatever. So yeah, there's a giveaway, but
and it's international, so anyone can enter.
Anybody, but one, please tell your friends, tell everybody. There's a giveaway going on. Share it.
Share.
Comment. But alright, that's enough talking.
If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe, please. I would love it. And I will see you later. Bye.